Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce latency in Logic Pro. So this tells the iPad to process audio chunks much faster, which drastically cut down a delay. So what we are going to do is tap the More button, which are three dots at the top right corner of the app. Then select Settings, and then we will select App Settings. Tap the audio here on the left sidebar, locate the I/O buffer, which is right here at the bottom, change it to 64 samples or 128 samples for recording. Always raise this back up to 256 or 512 samples when you are done recording and ready to mix, so your iPad doesn't run out of CPU. Now, the step number 2 is if you have power hungry effect loaded onto your tracks, Logic will automatically temporarily bypass them while you record so they don't lag your audio. Now you need to stay in the same settings, audio settings menu, select the general here, toggle the low latency monitor mode to on. Right here under the audio menu and general here at the top, and toggle the low latency monitoring to on. So this is at the bottom. Instead of diving into the menu every time you want to record, add a shortcut directly to your top menu bar. Now, what we are going to do is long press an empty space on the control bar. So this one is the toolbar at the top of your screen. So if it works, sorry. So if it doesn't work, you can always go here to these three dots and you will see customize control bar menu here, then jump to modes, and what you are find here is low latency monitoring, and toggle this on and you will see it right here at the top of your screen, this orange color right here. And yeah, this is basically it. Now I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.